Palagay ng crown si Heisen.
Andito na yung GK. Ay, may may blobs na ulit.
May blobs northeast.
Alright, they're zoning in. Let me go ahead and check.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go. Okay.
Ah, yun, good.
Ready na.
Galing
Check
sila Lord.
They're walking.
Palagay ng crown. Palagay ng crown.
May crown na, nilagyan ko ng crown.
We're going east.
Ang-
Okay, nag-dismount. Sa east
Upod.
side.
Ay,
Upod.
submitted ko na sa party ah.
There comes.
Pagpud, pagpud.
Dami nagsasalita.
They're all dismounted. On the east side.
May isa akong engage, diba? May isa akong engage.
Wala kang isang engage.
Wala, okay.
Pero wala si Miss.
Alliance sila to. Mint yung nasa east side. May kasama mga Harley ka pa na.
Hold
Marley
wala,
Clan Mint yan.
May bomb squad, pa-check.
16 di sa Ray.
Pa-check kung may bomb squad.
May.
Dismount ako. Meron ditong
16
GA. Rampant.
Walk up. Hitay shallow. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow now. Okay, come back. Hold lang northwest, hold nyo lang shallow. Dito kayo mag-hold. Nandito, ganyan. Huwag kayo matakot. Masakit pa natin guards. Masakit pa yung guards.
Good
Masakit pa
na
yung
ba?
guards natin. Oh, pud na. OC na rin kayo. Papa-OC. Look tayo shallow, southeast. Look shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow lang. No, come back. Come southwest ha. Ready kayo tumakbo southwest ha. Sabihin ko magkakam na sila. Yung mga mga miss ko paki-sacred ground. Paki-silence entrance. Huwag kayo masyadong maglaro sa northeast side. So hold. Look northeast, shallow northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow now. No, come back. Balik. Full defense. Hold. Full defense. Walk northeast a bit. Walk northeast. Pahil. Kiss on the bliss sa front line. Try nyo i-kidnap. Okay, come back. Southwest. Balik. Pull back. Balik. Come southwest lahat. Balik na. Full defense. Walk northeast. Walk in. Everybody look northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit northeast now. Kiss on the bliss on the tanks. Kiss on the bliss. Punish nyo yung tanks sila. Punish nyo. Come back. Balik. Come back. Go gitna. Balik gitna. Bumalik kayo sa gitna.
Namatay ata si UB.
Come back.
Hindi naman.
Ah, wala
Nasa loob
pa.
pa rin ata si Hubig.
Malapit na mamatay yung battle mount. Just hold it. Hold lang. Stay behind me. Huwag kayo bumaba ng stairs. Tanks lang nasa harapan sa baba ng stairs. Tanks lang. Yan sila pumasok. Pumapasok na sila.
Paalisin nyo nga to si Nishimura.
Sino? Hold. Hold lang. Okay, look southeast, shallow southeast. Come back. Stop. Hit tayo over the wall, northeast in 5, 4, 3. Over the wall. Okay, back na. Full defense. Walk in sa northeast. Walk in sa kanila. Walk in to them. Kiss on the breeze. Roll with them. Ready to defense. Walk in. Everybody, get ready. Northeast sa backline na. May bomb squad sila. Full defense. Walk in. Everybody look northeast. Northwest in 5, northeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit northwest now. Hit northwest. Come back. Pahil ng prot. Nice, balik. Okay, tatlo engage na lang. Come back. May bounce pad sila. Tayo wala. Come back.
Yung bato ni Shimura na ito, ba nandito pa yun?
Sino yung isang engage tank?
Wala.
Wala si Imis, wala.
Okay. Hold lang dito. Kailangan ko mag-fake. Kulang ring brawling ko. 2 engage na lang. 3 ata. Hold nyo lang.
Sila, Hellfire. Kita.
Comeback west, comeback northwest, play ka northwest side, northwest. Akit kayo. Full defense. Okay, shallow yung 5 on discarding. 4, 3, 2, 1 on discarding. Full kill nyo itong carving. Kidnap nyo yung carving. Kidnap. Everyone on this guy. Full kill. Na ako. Look northeast nga. Walk in northeast. Northeast shallow. Walk in. On these tanks sa loob natin. 5, 4,
May kalaban nata sila.
2, 1. On this guy. On these tanks. Full kill. Nice.
May in-engage yan.
Kabak pass. Ready your defenses. Full defense. Walk in. Nabad nila. Walk in sa kanila. Brawl with them. 5 seconds. Walk in. Everybody, look tayo sa tanks nila. Walk southeast. Look southeast. 5, shallow in 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit now. Hit this. Tanga baka. Full comeback. Ready, comeback. Balik. Ready your defenses. Ready your clear calls. Just hold. Come southwest pa. Keep walking southwest. Walk in. Now walk into them. Hit tayo shallow. Walk in east. Everybody look east in 5, east in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Hit this now. Hit this. Huge. Pakit. Full kill. Walk into them. Lakad. Ambag nila. Run them over. Ready your defenses. Full defense. Walk south down. Full kill nyo sila. Walk in. Brawl nyo sila east side. Look north. Tingin kayo sa north side. Everybody look north. In 5, north in 3, in 2, 1. Hit north na. Kahit walang clamp. Walk in. Walk into them. Pressure nyo lang sila. Mag-spread kayo. Full spread. Come back southeast. Full spread kayo. Full spread. Walk in now. Walk in. Walk into them. No fear. Walk in. Keep walking. Run them over. Looking northwest. Akit ng choke. Sa taas ng choke. Northwest in 5, 3, 2, 1. Hit northwest now. Walk in lang. Run them over, boys. Run them over. Northwest. Sa taas ng choke. Full defense. Walk in. Brawl niya sila northwest. Low HP sila. Walk in lang. Full kill niya yung mga low HP nila. Full kill. Walk in northwest. Walk in. Tingin northwest. Sa taas ng hill. Huwag kayo titingin sa baba. Full kill niyo yung sa taas. Panalo tayo, gagi. Tingin west. West in 5, west in 4, west in 3, 2, 1.
Gagi may...
Keep mo northwest. Keep mo northwest. Keep mo northwest. Comeback west. Pasok sa Terry. North side ng Terry. Pasok Terry.
Yan pala yung
Sabi yung GG sa mga hard.
Nalulutan tayo nila.
Ilot nyo.
Ilit nyo na nga ito.
Nang-gidon sila ng Kestrel kanina.
Kaya nga, pagtingin ko sa gilid, bakit may mga load?
Loot up din, pumasok ako sa Terry.
Patay niyo yung mga ano doon.
Balik tayo. Pacheck ng disarray. Walang disarray Kestrel maybe. Patingin.
Nakatch ko yung castrol kanina.
Balik.
Kuha nyo yung mga trash, tapon nyo lang.
Ano lang ata sila
Oh, parang
eh.
hindi
Dismounted
na
sila
balikan.
here sa...
Balik na. Sayang, 8.3.
Oy, ingat kayo, may gangers round.
Balik na, stay lang.
1 minute lang naman eh. Sayang yun.
Third party lang tumanapol.
Level 9 lang sila, level 9.
14 tayo, GG.
Puro 14 tayo.
Dapat yun, dito ay
Hold lang. Baba ng Terry, baba ng ano.
They're walking in.
Pakilook ng revelation.
Nasa
Walking in, ha?
Nasa west side sila, yung revelation.
Gusto ko makita yung revelation.
Baka masanap tayo dito.
Dito na sila, atin maglupa.
Hold lang dito. Uy, balik mo ng battle months. Low HP ka. Balik mo ng battle months.
Kamusta yung CP2? Healthy pa kayo guys?
Buhay pa. Pwede pa ka.
Hindi nakabalik yung iba.
Ano?
Sumalsa lang wala.
Wait lang, hold. Nag-fake engage lang ako. Kasi nakita ko gano'n. Hold. Bumalik kayo. Pahil lang tanks ko sa front. Just hold it. Walking now. Walking to them. Come southeast. Walking to them. Brawl with them. Try nyo mag-loot. Walk south. Look south. 5 seconds. Look south. South in 5, south in 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit south now. Hit south. Walking to them. Ambad nila. Walking to them. Walking to Maharlika. Walking. Spread now. Mag-spread kayo. Spread. Full defense. Now walking to them. East side. Walking east. Everybody look southeast. Look west inside.
Dito,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit now. Nasaan yung DPS ko? Kamak nga. Hello? Kamak. Yan sa atin dun. Wala DPS ko.
Tingnan na.
Hindi natin ma-wipe. Kamak-west.
Bat,
Bumalik na
come
kayo.
Nasa is yung bag squad nila.
Bumalik na kayo. Crazy guys. Ang lala natin. Look northeast shallow. Shallow in 5, shallow in 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit shallow now. Hit shallow. Okay, ang lala natin. Come back west. Balik sa Terry. Come back sa Terry.
Sino ba yung nag-i-smoke, men?
Hold lang northwest. Huwag kayo bumalik. Ayun, defense out. On the side. Walk west. Full kill nyo. Walk south. Habol nyo. Wala. Come back na. May namatay doon?
Wala.
You're going back.
Dalawa.
Dito sila sa east.
Oh my god, bro.
Walang death tank sa
I-demons
naglulok
yung
sa
agad.
northeast. Walang nag-stop na death tank.
Andito
Dahil
sa
sa
northeast.
lot mo, hold. Come back southwest. Bumalik na kayo. Pakilook nga, paki-demons nga agad. Ang dami nating skill issue dun eh.
Huwag nyo sa pawan yung healer. Yung caller. Huwag nyo sa pawan.
Ang dami nating skill issue. Hindi demons, hindi na ano. Walang nag-react doon.
Guys, pacheck nga yung nag-i-smoke. May nag-i-smoke kasi.
Hindi
Wag
na
lang
yung
dito.
problema, Habis.
Hold lang northwest. Kung ganun ulit nangyari, paki-react.
Wala na sila dito sa east, ha?
Yeah.
Lava clouds.
Wait nga lang.
Lalaban sila dito.
Yeah. Padlock ng south ko, revelation. Padlock ng south ko. Walk up. Ang kickback natin northwest ha.
Kalaban sila
Wait,
na malaki
natin,
yung
Marcos.
sa
Okay.
Revelation.
Walk southeast, look south. Northeast in 5. North in 4, 3, 2, 1. BIR. Hit the cities. Full kill nyo. Pull loot. Kasi back nyo sa Derry. Kamak south. Balik south. Look west, look na. Oh, ready. Defense ha. Balik. Full defense. Balik sa Terry. Look shallow now. Come southeast. Look shallow. Sa tanks nila. Use and W sa tanks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the tanks now. Nasa front lang. Full kill this guy.
Alright,
Okay, kabak ng
on the east
spread.
side, guys.
Full southwest side. Full defense southwest side. Oh.
Guys, another dito.
Kamak northwest. Isang guild lang yan. Lag lang yan. Kamak north. Walk south now. Southeast in 5, southeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit southeast now. Na balik. Pull back. Balik tayo. Tanks, bumalik na kayo sa choke. Northwest kayo maglaro. Northwest. Nasaan ba yung northwest? Northwest ng crystal na to. Northwest. Dito yung northwest. Okay, bumalik sa ano. Hold lang dito. Full defense on southeast. Walk southeast now. Shallow tayo. Southeast in 5, southeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit shallow na. Nakambak. Pull back. Balik na kagad. Balik na kagad. Full defense sa front line. Pahin ng front line ko. Now spread. Walking now. Okay, stop. Wag na. Balik.
Shadow death.
Rotate tayo kasi may dalawa engage na lang. You sold. Balik na nga. Balik sa gitna.
Ang bye-bye.
Since last day na naman to ng invasion day.
Ay.
Pala na. Let's try. Practice na rin to.
11 minutes lang.
Ito
Hold
pa
lang.
rin kukunin natin, Terry.
Oo. Hold lang. Kamag Southwest nga. Kamag Southwest. Kamag Southwest. Huwag kayong maglaro dyan. Huwag kayong maglaro dyan. Huwag kayong maglaro. Play on northwest side nga. Play northwest side. Baka mabomb na naman kayo sa south side. Palok nga ng Revelation.
Bumalik yung Dassault. Bumalik yung Revelation rin. Nasa right
Ay,
place
ay,
sila.
ay.
Sila yung mga kasama nila yung Dassault ah.
Yeah. Laban sila. Balik lahat. Gusto nila lumaban. Labanan natin. Practice.
Nakakambak sila.
Balik lahat. 7 minutes OC. Kapag
They're
labas
walking
sila. Sorry. Come back sa gitna. Tanks lang sa baba.
May kalaban yata sila. Wala sila ng is. Wala yung mark.
Malis.
May kalaban yata sa baba.
Wait lang. Hold.
Yung check first.
Oo nga, andito sa east yung naglaban sila. Kalaban nila yung Revelation.
Baka. Labas kayo na siya. Labas kayo Terry. Okay. Spread yung northwest side. Huwag kayo bumalik sa ano.
Ayun na lang sila, nakaklam sila dito ah.
Hold here. Hold. Hold. Tanks lang sa labas.
Stop yung Revelation, yung iba.
Yung Mahal ka, naka-dismount pa rin.
Just hold it. Just hold. Qs and Ws. Labanan natin to. Qs and Ws. Stay behind me. Play northwest side. Spread pa kayo. Isang talon lang kayo na dyan ng 100 miss. Spread. Spread lang. Hindi ko lalaban ako kasi may southwest natin Revelation. Mas masakit Revelation. Iipit tayo doon. Southeast nga, shallow. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit now. Now, come back. Pull back agad. Full defense. Now, hold the choke. Hold lang yung choke. Qs and Ws in tanks. Just hold it. Hold. Everybody, look shallow, ha? Just hold. Hold nyo lang position. Now, walk southeast now. Everybody, look east. Yeah. Look southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit is now. Now spread. Full defense. Come back northwest. Balik kayo sa choke. Kiss on the bliss. Hold the choke. Hold the choke. Hold the choke. Hold nyo lang. Hold nyo lang.
Naglulok sila.
Yeah, just hold it. Kiss and W sa mga ano nila. Kiss and W. Okay, ready. Full defense now. On the bomb squad. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the bomb squad down. Hold
Nice,
hit the bomb squad.
nice.
Hit the bomb squad. Now roll with them. Huwag kayo lalagpas sa choke. Roll with them. Roll. Full bro. Defense sound. Defense. Walk southeast now. Hold lang choke. Everybody east side. Okay, east side. Walk in east side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. Come back. Full defense now. Full defense. Come back. Out na tayo dito. Hindi ako makapatay. Come back.
Ako mababasag na musik ko.
Come back na.
Wala na.
Wag na. Hindi tayo makapatay. Mount up.
Guys, mount up. Tapos na objectives.
Wait lang, huwag muna Huwag nyo muna kunin. Hintay tayo outlaw. Ito, battle